like Ever After High is in for a stormy afternoon.
As a new student, well, an old student, returns to the school.
I heard she has actual wolf claws. I heard she howls at the moon. Poor Cerise.
It is their destiny to be enemies.
What's, so exciting?
Me.
It's Ramona Badwolf!
Hello, Cerise.
I thought I smelled wet dog.
Oh, please, Hood. You couldn't find your way out of a paper bag.
What's this lollygagging? Move along, or I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow you to class! Now, you girls really need to...
Talk to the paw, Dad.
Miss Hood, are the rumors true that it was your fault that Ramona Badwolf was sent away to the Dark Force Reform School? No comment.
Ramona, to the headmaster's office.
I'll see you after school.
You heard it here first. Come see the Hood versus Badwolf battle after school. This is ridiculous. I think we can settle our own problems.
Agreed. So, you accept my challenge?
Fine. Let's settle this right now.
I say no fighting in the halls. Both of you, in my classroom, now!
Dad!
She started it. Did not. Dad, Cerise is taking this under-the-hood thing too far. Ooh, mysterious secret. Look at me, I'm a hood.
I'm not doing it for me. You are so mean.
Girls, muzzle it. You both know how it is.
Yeah. If anyone knew the big bad wolf was married to Little Red...
They'd flip their crowns.
That's right. So until graduation, our family must remain secret. Now, let's give your audience a real competition.
You ready for this, sis?
Oh, yeah.